Okay, guys, so this is the day after my first time using Tabitha Brown's Donna's recipe. Now, remember, yesterday I washed my hair, combed it, conditioned it, put the leave-in conditioner in. I used the shampoo, and then I used the leave-in conditioner. Okay, and then I used the moisturizing creamy hair cream. And I will say that this is how and then I put my hair in a ponytail and I laid it back. I haven't combed through it. As you can see, the bottom is different than the top. One, because it's processed with color more. Two, because none of my hair ever follows any pattern. And three, because I was born this way. I don't know what to tell you. But so this is the creamy crack. It's not creamy crack. It absolutely smells so divine. It smells so good. And I wanted to put a little bit more on the ends of my hair before I braid it back down again. Because I really need a treatment. Okay, let's just be honest. I need a treatment. And since I need to treat this colored hair, I'm trying to keep it as moisturized as possible when I do my hair. Now, I told y'all, I don't like doing my hair. I don't like doing it at all. Some of that, now I like playing with the wigs. You want to know why? Because it's just, I just put it on and go. It's a hat. But I do also understand that it's also a confidence booster. For some, I like being able to change how I wear my hair and how I show up, because I think that's just who I am as a person. Like, I've worn the embarrassing wigs. I've worn some wigs where I look back at pictures and was like, yo, nobody in my life loved me. But then I know how hard-headed I am, and I was like, I'm gonna wear it anyway. Lesson learned, lesson learned. I done wore some wigs that sat on my head like a helmet. Like, you look back at it and was like, what were you trying to accomplish? And I don't have any answers. I have this many answers. This many answers. Anyway, okay, so as you guys can see, I put the moisturizing hair cream in, and you see, remember how it was straight before, and now it has a bit of curl in real time. Like, some of my hair is not going to curl because it's just the color has processed it, and I'm trying to grow those parts out. But all of my hair is natural. I haven't had a perm in my hair since 2003. And believe you me, I am one of those people who miss permed hair. I do. It felt already done. Right. It felt already done. And it took me a long time to kind of come to terms with my natural hair, because I had an idea of how my hair was going to be. I just knew I was going to have this magnificent afro, and it did not magnificent afro. It did whatever it wanted to do. It was straight, long, afro, curly, not curly. Okay. So that is just me using the product. I haven't used any of the edge control because my hair kind of doesn't always need that. But I'm really happy with this product. I'm really happy with this product. Like, happy enough for me to spend my dollars to buy it at full price. And that means a lot to me, because I'm always looking for a frugal moment. Okay. Go ahead, Donna.